Welcome to 20 Car. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C4 comes with a modern twist while paying homage to its iconic 80s roots. The angular design is back, but with sharper lines and aggressive curves that scream speed and power. Its new LED headlight system and wide-set grille give it an undeniably commanding presence on the road. Inside, the dashboard combines retro aesthetics with cutting-edge tech. A fully digital display replaces the old dials, featuring customizable modes for track, city, and touring. The leather-wrapped steering wheel is paired with a driver-focused cockpit that includes a 12-inch infotainment screen. Under the hood, this Reborn C4 boasts a 6.2-liter V8 engine pushing out 500 horsepower. This means it rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers height in just 3.8 seconds, putting it squarely in competition with cars like the Porsche 911 Carrera and Audi R8. Starting at around $85,000, it's priced competitively in the performance car market. Ownership costs include moderate maintenance, with insurance rates depending on location but remaining in the high-performance car bracket. Depreciation is expected to be minimal, as Corvettes often hold their value well. Driving the 2025 C4 is a thrilling experience. Its rear-wheel drive layout combined with an upgraded suspension delivers exceptional handling. However, some may find the stiff ride on city streets less forgiving, and fuel consumption can be a drawback. Despite a few downsides, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C4 is a car that blends retro charm with modern muscle. It's perfect for those who crave an authentic driving experience with a dash of nostalgia.